Kitgum Municipality, municipality in the northern part of Uganda. The town is administered by Kitgum Municipality Council, Kitgum Municipal Council, and urban local government. It is the largest metropolitan center in the district and also the site of the district headquarters. Kitgum is bordered by Lamore district to the north, Muchwini to the northeast, Kitgum Matidi to the east, Acholi to the south, and Pajimo to the west. The town is located 104 kilometers or 64 miles by road northeast of Gulu, the largest city in the Acholi sub-region and northern Uganda. It is approximately 435 kilometers or 270 miles by road away from Uganda's capital city, Kampala. The geographical coordinates of Kitgum are 3 degree 17 20.0 to the northern side, 32 degree 52 40.0 to the east. The 2014 population census put Kitgum municipality population at 44,600. Let's see the points of interest or locations which are popular. Acholi Lodge. It's a mid-range lodge of 10 chalets made of local material and touching 2 tents, a conference facility and garden with an expansive 20-hectare leafy plains on the Blank Allow stream. Acholi Lodge was constructed on what was formerly a garbage stream. It is a conservation miracle as the land has been turned from a garbage dump to a green park. There is Kitgum Hospital, which is a 200-bed public hospital administered by Ministry of Health of Uganda. There is St. Joseph Hospital Kitgum, which is a 300-bed hospital, which is administered by Roman Catholic Archdiocese of Gulu. Another popular thing in Kitgum are the offices: Kitgum Town Council, the Kitgum Central Market, the Hiring Gleason Foundation headquarters. First school started by Hiring Gleason Foundation, which is serving over 3,000 students. Another popular thing is the road running from Rwekunye to Apach to Adugu to Lira to Kitgum to Musingo, which is 350 kilometers or 217 miles road passing through the middle of the town, Kitgum Municipal. There is also National Memory and Peace Documentation Center as one thing. So there are a lot of popular other things in Kitgum, like the great schools. There are those who know Kitgum Comprehensive. This big lodges, Octopus Garden, if you know it, a good place. And Kitgum has first developed to the extent that it is challenging both Gulu and Lira. This is not to side with anything. You can take a step and visit Kitgum and evaluate for yourself. Thank you.